बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर वतम्मिम बिल खैर। सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट, आई एम here to present quiz competition of physics grade O1 unit 2. The first question on your screen is, which of the following quantities do not change on applying force? Options are A. Speed, B. Shape, C. Weight, and D. Mass. The correct option is D, that is mass. Next question is, name two non-contact forces. The answer is electrostatic force and gravitational force. Next we have 1 Newton is equal to two resultant forces acting on a body. One is 2 Newton and other is 6 Newton. Both forces are in opposite direction. As we know that in opposite direction the forces can subtract each other. Two forces can subtract. The answer will be 4 Newton and force acting downward, and 1 Newton is equal to kilogram meter per second square. Next is, what is the force in the stretch spring? Answer is tension. Name the forces shown on the ball rolling down on an inclined surface. On the extreme right side we have a ball, three forces acting on it. Red arrow shows that normal force acting on it, and the blue arrow shows friction, and the green one shows driving force. Next question is, in which direction the box will move? The weight of a box is 6 kg. We have three forces, 12 Newton, 3 Newton and 2 Newton. The box moves towards right because the sum of forces on the left side is 5 Newton and on the right side is 12 Newton. 12 minus 5 we have 7, so it moves towards right. What is the resultant force on the box? That is 7 Newton. What will be the acceleration produced in the box? By using formula, that is F is equal to ma according to Newton's second law. 7 Newton is equal to 6 kg mass, and A is acceleration. A is equal to 7 Newton per 6 kg. A is equal to 1.16 meter per second square. Why is it easier to open the lid of container with the spoon than with the coin? Answer is because using spoon, movement arm perpendicular distance between the pivot and the line of action of force increase, so turning effect of force increase. Next question is, what is the terminal velocity of the object shown on the graph? That is 15 meter per second. Next is, a coin is falling freely. After some time it starts moving with terminal velocity. What is meant by terminal velocity? When a force acting on a coin balance each other, coins start moving downward with a constant velocity called terminal velocity. Next question is, by looking at the graph, tell at which time the coin start moving with terminal velocity. Options are 1 second, 2 second, 3 second or 4 second. The correct option is B, that is 2 second. Next is, which of the following diagram shows a sphere is in a stable equilibrium? Option A, B, C and D. The correct option is A. Which object of the following is most stable? A, B, C and D. The correct option is B, because its base is wider, so it is more stable as compared to the other one. Where does the center of the mass lies of the given irregular object? Options are A, B, C and D. The correct option is C. Center of the mass of above object lies at the point of intersection of the diagonals. Next we have a figure where is the pivot in the above diagram, at point A, at point B or at point C. The correct option is at point A. Figure shows the top view of a door hinge at A, what will be the moment by the force 40 Newton? Force is equal to 40 Newton and distance is 1.8. The correct answer is 72 Newton meter. Next question is, what happened to the air resistance as speed of the object increases? Options are A increases, B decreases, C remain unchanged, and D first increase then decrease. The correct option is A, that is increased. Second one is, a huge ball is pushed toward the rightward. What is the direction of the force of on a huge ball by the floor? Options are A toward left, B toward right, C towards down. The correct option is toward right. What is meant by moment arm? The perpendicular distance between the pivot line of an action of force, that is called moment arm. Moment arm is equal to F cross D. SI unit of moment arm is meter. Mathematical form of Hooke's law is A, F is equal to K by X, F is equal to Kx, F is equal to X by K, and D is equal to F is equal to ma. The correct option is F is equal to Kx. F is the force, K is the spring constant, and X is the extension. What is the elastic limit? The point up to where a solid remains elastic and obeys Hooke's law, that is called elastic limit. State the principle of moment. If the body is in equilibrium, sum of clockwise movement will be equal to the sum of anti-clockwise movements. That is called principle of moments. The next question is, the ball is in dash equilibrium: A stable, B unstable, C neutral, and D not in equilibrium. The correct option is C, that is neutral equilibrium. A block is attached to a spring pulled to some distance. What is the extension in the spring? Options are A 2 meter, B 3 meter, C 1 meter, and D 4 meter. The distance of extension is 1 meter, so the extension is 1 meter. Define extension in the spring. Difference between the stretch length and the initial length of the spring, that is called extension in the spring. What caused the ball shown in the figure to move in a circular path? That is centripetal force. What is the direction of velocity of the ball? Options are A toward the center, B away from the center, C straight away, and D tangent to the circle. What provide the necessary centripetal force to keep the ball in the circular path? Options are gravity, friction, tension in the string, and D weight. The correct option is C. The front wheel of a car is turned in a clockwise direction by the engine as the car accelerates towards the right, as shown in diagram. There is a force of friction between the wheel and the road. What is the direction of friction force on the wheel of the car and the road? The direction of the frictional force on the wheel and direction of frictional force on the road. Options are A to the left, B to the left, to the right, C to the right, to the left, and D to the right, to the right. The correct option is C, to the right, to the left. Next is figure 10.1 shows the horizontal forces as a cyclist travel towards air resistance and driving force. Compare the size of forces when the bicycle is decelerating. Air resistance is greater than driving force. If the total mass of cyclist is 150 kg, driving force and air resistance is 6 Newton and 8 Newton respectively, what will be the deceleration of the cyclist? Options are A 0.13 meter per second, 0.013 meter per second, and C is equal to 0.01 meter per second square, and D is equal to 2 meter per second square. The correct option is B, 0.013 meter per second square. A student balanced a non-uniform object on a pivot To do this, a weight is suspended near the left hand end of the object. Where is the center of mass of object? Options are A, B, C and D. On A we have a suspended weight. The correct option is D. Newton's third law involves two quantities which are equal in size and opposite in direction. What is the unit for these two quantities? Options are joule, meter per second square, Newton and watt. That will be D, watt. Which object behaves as an elastic solid as it deforms? Options are A, a bullet as it hits a solid metal wall, B, a car damaged in a collision, C, a piece of a metal cut by a saw, and D, a football as it is kicked. The correct option is D. The next question is, the graph shows the extension of a piece of a paper wire as the load on it is increased. Name the point P on a graph. After the force is removed, the material will regain its original length shape. Options are A, both elastic and plastic, B, plastic but not elastic but not plastic, C, plastic but not elastic, and D, not elastic but not plastic. Limit of proportionality, and the correct option is A, both elastic and plastic. A spring extended by 6 cm when a 15 Newton as a suspended from its lower end. 3 of these springs are used as shown in figure to support a 90 Newton weight. What is the extension of each spring? 2 cm, 12 cm, 36 cm and 110 cm. The correct option is 12 cm. An extension load graph of a wire is shown. What is the load at the limit of proportionality for the wire? Options are 4 Newton, 15 Newton, 60 Newton and 70 Newton. The correct option is 60, because at the 60 graph change its shape. A 20 kg bike accelerates at 10 meter per second square. What was the force? 20 Newton, 25 Newton, 200 Newton and 10 Newton. The correct option is 2000 Newton. Hooke's law can be shown on a graph as a straight line. What forces bring the pencil down? Applied, magnetic, normal or gravitational? The correct option is D, that is gravitational. Next question is, which force makes the balloon to be pushed away? A magnetic force, B, tension, electrostatic force, and D, applied force. The correct option is C, electrostatic force, because we have seen charges on the both balloons, and force must act on object for it to change its motion. Options are balanced, unbalanced, gravitational and electrostatic. The correct option is unbalanced forces. You push on a wall with 20 Newton of force. As the wall does not move, the wall is pushing back on you with the dash of the force. Right. Correct options. Options are 20 Newton, 40 Newton, 10 Newton and 70 Newton. The correct option is 20 Newton, because both forces cancel each other, so the wall is still standing at its position. Which one of the following quantities is 0 when the uniform rod is supported in the middle? Options are A, gravity, B, weight, C, pressure and D, movement. The correct option is D, that is movement. How do you lower the frictional force? Options are by a smooth surface, by a rough surface, by not pushing hard, by pushing down. The correct option is A, by a smooth surface. That's all about your presentation. Good luck.